Today, I'm gonna make this chicken bacon ranch quesadilla that is so good and it's kidney friendly, and you're gonna love eating it. Hello everyone, welcome back to Renal Diet HQ. I'm Mathia Ford, where we make delicious and kidney friendly recipes that are great for your health. Today, we're whipping up something extra tasty, extra crispy, chicken bacon ranch quesadillas. Here's a question for you. What's cheesy, crispy, and makes your kidneys happy? Stick around, I'll tell you at the end. All right, let's go through our ingredients. We have flour tortillas, chicken thighs, sharp cheddar cheese, lime juice, onion. We have our low sodium ranch seasoning, which you can also find on the blog, mayo and sour cream, bacon, cumin and garlic powder, and cilantro. So all this together is going to make a very delicious, yummy, kidney-friendly quesadilla. All right, we're going to make the ranch that's going to go on the quesadilla. I'm going to put the low sodium ranch, the sour cream, and the mayo in a bowl. And then we're going to put the lime juice in there to thin it out a little to make it easy to spread on the quesadilla. And just stir it up. Again, this is a low sodium version of the ranch seasoning, so it's great for kidney disease. Okay, now we've cooked our chicken thighs and we're going to chop them up into small pieces. Now we're just going to crumble the bacon. I made it nice and crispy. Get that delicious taste. Okay, so now I'm going to put the cilantro in and the cumin and the garlic. Then I'm just going to stir it to make sure everything is coated. It's almost time to put it together. There you have it. That's our chicken bacon ranch quesadilla. It goes together very quickly, easy to make for a lunch or a dinner, and keep the leftovers for the next meal. Oh. The red onion's still crunchy. The cilantro, the lime, that ranched flavor is really there. This is so good. I'm gonna eat this whole thing while I'm standing here. So what's cheesy, crispy, and makes your kidneys happy? This quesadilla right here, and it makes your taste buds happy too. Let me know what you think in the comments below when you make it, and don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more great recipes.